You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 10/11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 1/6 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 12/11. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 10/11.